The biotechnology industry has experienced tremendous growth in Florida over the last several years. In fact, we heard from our chair, Sue Washer, earlier today. She gave us some great numbers that we'll be reporting along with the Sid Martin BioTech incubator here that basically show our industry has almost doubled in the last 5 years or so here in Florida to close to 200 biotechnology companies. What's driving that is a direct effort by all of those involved in the industry, policymakers, and the general public who recognized that Florida needed to diversify its economy. We started investing and paying attention to this industry several years ago, adding to the infrastructure we already had, and as a result we built a research base, a foundation that helps to establish a strong business climate for growth of the industry. And that business climate is now translating into companies and jobs. The largest concentration of biotechnology companies is here in this park in Alachua. So this area is certainly one of the strongholds, if you will, of the industry. But we're also seeing major development all the way from Miami, Jupiter, Port St. Lucie, Tampa, St. Pete, Jacksonville. It's really a statewide industry, and so we're particularly proud of that. We think if we can connect those resources, and connect the resources here in Gainesville and Alachua, for example, to those in South Florida, that we have one of the strongest industry clusters in the nation. Our organization represents the broader biosciences industry, which includes biotechnology companies. Those companies can be involved with the development of therapeutics using biologics. A vaccine would be an example of a biologic therapeutic. Pharmaceutical companies are also members of BioFlorida, as are medical device and diagnostic companies. So we cover a wide range of health sciences, and then we also have in the biotechnology sector agricultural and energy related companies who are helping to improve quality of life through better fuel production and better crop production. We have no indication of a slowdown in our industry in Florida. We're really fortunate that I've been in this business here in Florida for about 6 years. In those 6 years, I tell the story a lot of times that I've been to a groundbreaking or the grand opening of a bioscience facility at least once a quarter, every quarter in 6 years, and they keep coming. We see that growth is going to continue. Investors are starting to come here. We have new funds that are investing into Florida companies. We hope we can get an increase. I hope we can get an increase in our funding from the federal government through the NIH. It's a tough climate to do that, but we want to get our fair share in Florida, and we think we have the technology and the management teams to support that.